Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how a professional electrician does AC fitting and installs a 2-pole MCB breaker. In this video, you will be shown how the duct patty line is straightened with the help of a laser gun. Straightening duct patty line. First, we will straighten the duct patty line with the help of a laser gun. For this, we will set the laser gun and install the duct patty accordingly. This will ensure that our duct patty line is perfectly straight and aligned. Now we will install the 2-pole MCB breaker. For this, we will mount the breaker on the duct patty and connect the wire accordingly. This breaker is an essential component of our AC fitting and will help to protect our circuit from overload and short circuits. Wiring and testing. Now we will do the wiring and test the breaker. For this, we will connect the wire to the breaker and turn on the AC. We will also check the voltage and current readings to ensure that everything is working properly. Now, let's talk about safety precautions. When working with electrical systems, it's essential to take necessary safety measures to avoid accidents. Always wear protective gear, use insulated tools, and ensure that the power is off before starting work. You have seen how a professional electrician does AC fitting and installs a 2-pole MCB breaker.